Okay, okie dokie. Today we've got a parking sensor fault on a Mondeo 12 plate. I found the fault. It was a short circuit front right hand side sensor. But if you want to know where the plug is for it, if you go to the right hand headlight, you'll see this 16 pin plug here. Okay, and then what you've got is the live is the yellow and orange, and the earth is the purple and grey. Okay, that's the live and the earth for the sensors for this. We had a fault where it just said power supply, front and rear sensors. That was it. No further faults. The parking module, if I go around to the back, this is a Mondeo estate. Parking module is in the boot behind this panel. Okay, and that's what it looks like, and it just fits up in there like that. Okay, so if you get a fault where it says power supply, front and rear sensors and nothing else, then dive into that 16 pin plug under the bonnet first. Headlight takes a minute to come out. Unplug it and see if that fault clears. If it does, then it's going to be one of your front sensors. Okay, thank you for watching.